Okay, and let me ask you. Let me try this. So, 橙子贵吗？橙子贵吗？Yeah, this one. 橙子。Okay. Yeah. I want to show you sentences that we describe something. Okay, I'm gonna erase this thing. So, if we want to describe thing, we can use this sentence structure, like a subject and plus 很, and then we plus an adjective. Yeah. So, like 橙子很 Yes, this one. Next tone 贵 So 橙子很贵对 Yeah, okay, let me ask you. So, 在中国 in China 橙子贵吗You mean not expensive, right? We can say cheap. Cheap is 便宜。便宜。对，便宜。So 橙子很便宜。Yes, very good. 对，那苹果贵吗？Yes, very good. How about in Philippines? 在菲律宾，橙子便宜吗？The sentence? 对，非常好，橙子很便宜。那在菲律宾，橙子，sorry， 苹果便宜吗？对 ，Okay. So, this is two adjectives here. Do you have any questions? Okay. And also, we can ask you if you're busy. And busy, we say 忙。忙 means busy. 对 So, 你忙吗？Yes, correct. 我不忙。Okay, so this is the way we say the positive one. And the negative one, we can say subject and plus 不 and plus we can also say 菜 and plus 贵 adjective like 苹果不 yeah 不太贵 it's a adverb so 苹果不太贵对 OK so 你的书贵吗对很好我的书不太贵 Yes 你的笔贵吗Yes, very good. 你的and 橙子便宜吗？We say 很，no, we say 很便宜。You mean ask a question? If we would say a positive way, we say 很便宜 and this elective we say 不太便宜 很 Yeah, it's different. So let's try to practice more. So 你忙吗？Very good. And how about your phone? 你的手机贵吗？Really? 我的手机很贵。哦，It's okay. So how about the clothes? 你的衣服贵吗？Yes. Okay, and can you recognize the price? Like 50块钱。Yeah, 50元。So 我的衣服50块钱，贵吗？我的衣服50块钱，贵吗？对，非常好。You can say 你的衣服不太贵。Yes. So 你的衣服多少钱？100元哦，100块钱。Yes, it's okay. Yes. So 你的衣服便宜吗？对，我的衣服便宜，or we can say 我的衣服很便宜。Yes. Okay. So about this sentence structure, 你有问题吗？ Do you have any questions? Okay. So how about you? 你忙吗？那你is your family here? Okay. So how about your friend? 你的朋友忙吗？Really? Okay, you can say 我的朋友很忙。Okay, and actually in this sentence, 很 it don't have any meanings. But if you stress it like 我很忙, it means you're very very busy. But if you just say 我很忙, it don't have any meanings. You just means you're busy. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Leave your comments below to tell us what topics you want to learn next. Don't forget to click down below to subscribe to our channel. We have new videos coming out every week. Thanks for watching and see you next time. 再见。